Hey everyone, want to unlock premium features on Duolingo for free at a discount? In this video, I'll show you how to redeem Duolingo promo codes step by step. Let's get started. Number 1. Using Microsoft Rewards for Duolingo promo codes. Microsoft Reward is a reliable way to get a 3-month free Super Duolingo subscription. Here's how. First, sign up for a Microsoft Rewards account. Use Microsoft Edge and Bing to earn points by searching for 3 consecutive days. Check your rewards dashboard for the Duolingo promo code offer. Redeem the code and apply it to your Duolingo account in the subscription sections. Availability varies by region, so check if the offer is valid in your country. Second, joining the unofficial Duolingo Discover server. One to more promo codes. The unofficial Duolingo Discord server shares exclusive codes, giveaways, and contests. Find the server through the social media or online forums. Engage with the community to stay updated on active codes. Keep an eye out for the special promotions and challenges to earn free benefits. 3. Redeeming at Duolingo promo codes on the website. If you already have a promo code, here's how to redeem it. For desktop, go to the Duolingo website and log in. Click your profile icon, go to settings, then subscription. Enter your promo code and click apply. For mobile app, open the Duolingo app and go to profile settings and subscription. If you see the enter promo code option, apply your code and enjoy. Other ways to get Duolingo promo codes. Official promotion. Sign up for Duolingo newsletter for exclusive discounts. Follow Duolingo and influencers. Go promo for code test. Check sites like Retail Me Not and Groupon for discount codes. Invite friends to earn free Super Duolingo benefits. Important things to remember. Before using a promo code, check the expiration date. Some codes work only in specific countries as they may expire quickly. And that's how you can redeem Duolingo promo codes and unlock premium features for free. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.